सलाम नमस्ते ने मजा। तो अगर आपने देखा मेरे मॉर्निंग के पार्ट में पार्ट 1 डे के, नाउ लेट्स गो टू पार्ट 2। मैं यहाँ पे समझा रही थी दैट हाउ आई लव माय बैग वेदर इट्स बाइक और रोमिंग। और अब चलते हैं फार्म की तरफ। कुछ कुछ चीज समझ में नहीं आ रहे थे एंड मिस्ट्री वाज रिजॉल्व्ड एज वी केप्ट ऑन गोइंग इनसाइड। सो लेट्स गो एंड इंडल्ज के क्या उगाते हैं इन लोग। Now we enter into the herbs, the farm, the main farm. Let me take you through it. So if you see, yeah, beautiful. They've done this up.
They've actually,
Yeah.
when you compare up this stuff
Yeah.
a lot.
So I'll go like this for you. So if you see, I think if I'm not wrong, these are passion fruits. No.
Yes, it is.
This one is passion fruit, miss?
No, you can chat GPT something. It tells you the
Yeah.
species. I don't know what. I was shown by my people, but I don't.
Focus. So these were gourds, and the next what you see are oranges there. Let me take you through the overall thing.
They are good.
I'll chat GPT later. Yeah. You see the whole farming, they've got nice drip irrigation throughout. Then I told you we fed chickens and rabbits. See this one small cute one is come out, lost its way. Look, there is a chick here.
Look at the chick.
Yeah, that's what I told you. She's lost her way.
Mush. This one, oh my god, that's too cute. These are pineapple. They're very interesting.
And then here, this chick, I think it came out from here, it escaped. There's a coop.
I got distracted by the little.
Cutie. Yeah, they've done very well job here if you see. Yeah, you can enjoy feeding them. See this one also, Miss Nabila. This one as well.
Now let me take. Now I've got to come back.
Okay.
Where shall I take and what am I taking?
I'm just roaming around. You
Yes,
can-
yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll follow you, okay?
We have rabbits. You can feed them. The students can come and then feed here. We have the rabbits again here. You put the plants or whatever you want to feed. See, he's eating. This one's actually eating. Last time I couldn't take so much in detail. So soft. So cute. Hi. No food. Abana food. Take. You want food? Sweet. Come, we go there, explore what they have. Here also there are rabbits. These are called basically sukuma. In India we have got different species. ये पालक अलग है. So they grow all these in the farm. After this, if you see, these are oranges. Remember last time we saw in Malaysia as well. The same way this tree follows. So these are the small oranges you will see. Look at the pomegranate tree. Unlike ours which gets spoiled. I don't know if I'm allowed to go. Let me take a risk. I'm not calm anymore. Look at the pomegranate. Wow. The quality is amazing. So beautiful. So way further as well, if you see throughout, they've got again the orange, the sukuma. These are our staple spinach. I'm sure they must be using this for the hotel as well, right?
Yes.
All the farm things. And it goes all the way there. So those are the herbarium. Sorry, the farm again. And this is the other farm they have. This time they have made the poly house. Last time there was no poly house. Isn't it, miss, when we came?
Yes, that's
Yeah.
correct.
So there's lemon. Again, some of the vegetables we are not able to understand. Yeah, but it's beautiful. I think last time they had apple as well. I'll take you there as well. There too. So this is one poly house. This is the other poly house. This has got the sugar cane and all, if you see. I don't know if you're taken inside. I don't know. I think this is pumpkin or something again. They have grown. And this was the other side of it.
Even onion, maybe.
Yeah.
These are maybe regular onions or spring onions. Looks like. They're beautiful. And you see the salads that we are eating, majorly they're procured from here if you see. Very well grown. They look like iceberg or those pak choys we are eating. I'm not sure. Pak choy doesn't look like this. But yeah, it's one of the salad that it is being grown here. Let's go to Sheep Barn now. Oh, they have washroom. So this time around they have developed this farmer's lounge restroom. There's a beautiful cup type in which you can wash your hands. There's a basin. Now let's go to the sheep barn. This is also something new they have made. We look at the sheeps. Very beautiful. They've done very well. You see the down thing? They told this is what keeps the whole thing clean. This is the alpha, it seems, who's really been staring at us since I don't know how long, and there's fights happening. I better get out of here before I am harmed. This is the other side. I think they are still developing something. So you can talk about the keeping. Well, keeping is really done. Everything is recyclable. If you saw those sheets as well, let me take you there actually. So those sheets nowadays, you know, from the plastic you renew or recycle, sorry. So they are actually pretty green enough. If you see, they are trying these things which was there on the swing. They've made plastic. Okay, you see they are pulling carts as well as a recyclable. Everywhere they have tried to use the recyclable material of the plastic. So that is how this plastic is the one they are. I'm going to get out. I'm really scared. So this plastic is what they are recycling, upcycling, whatever you call. So this place is not just like, you know, you're coming for a staycation or a vacation, but apart from that you're also enjoying the view, the information. See, this is the Polygreen, the farm I had shown you. This is the farm overall view from up. Let me give you the view, and then we'll keep unfolding as we go.
By the time they finish that academic year, kila mmoja anaendanga na
Nice.
so whoever wants to sell.
Yes. Yeah, I've heard of that, which is really good. So here you see they are again doing this. These are all sugarcane. Again a spinach. These are iceberg. Let me show you from close. The iceberg farm. And then these are passion fruits. Remember I have done a reel also. No, these are brinjals. Oh, lovely brinjals. See, now we know. So outside what tree we were debating on was actually brinjals. Far away they have grown all brinjals. These are all the sugarcane. Then again sukuma या पालक और स्पिनिच जो अपन बोलते यहाँ पे बहुत फेमस है. लोग खाते क्रेजी की तरह खाते. अगर आप देखो ये हमारा गाजर और ये गोभी अगर आप देखो तो उगरा है. ओके, ऑलमोस्ट देयर. और फिर ये कॉर्नर्स में लोग ने शुगर केन उगाए हैं. पूरा पॉली हाउस अब लगाया है. लास्ट टाइम चल रहा था काम, बट ये बार काफ़ी अच्छा किया है. ये दूसरा फार्म, यहाँ पर भी यही सब उग रहा है. आई होप इट्स क्लियर. यहाँ पे कुछ तो उगाया जा रहा है. क्रीपर्स दिख रहे हैं, मतलब पम्पकिन या ऐसा कुछ होगा. ये कैबेज है. आई डोंट नो इफ यू कैन सी क्लियरली. ये कैबेज उग रहे हैं थ्रू एंड थ्रू. और ये कुछ तो अलग चीज़ है. आई डोंट नो कौन सा तो झाड़ है ये. I see. These are maperas. That is called perus. I hope it's okay to go. I'm just risking it for showing you people. You see, these are the mapera tree. The peru. Peru in Africa is called mapera. If you see, these are the sukuma again I told you about. Those are the banana trees all the way there. These are brinjals which are being, no, these are tomatoes. There's a whole poly house because tomatoes usually get infected very quick if you see. Yeah, so this is their tomato all through there. And there's also something growing. I don't know, maybe tomatoes again. Yeah, this is all for tomatoes dedicatively done. So they are self-sufficient. And these are the salads. The salads that we eat, they are grown here. I think this is kale. These are iceberg. All different salads that you'll see. They are self-sufficient. That's why that is how their restaurant has their own things. Even those are dedicated tomatoes. I hope this zooming has helped. Those are all tomatoes grown. And that is a beautiful view you can see across. Yeah, amazing. Very pumpkin. Yeah.
Vela needs to take more maji.
This is pineapples. See how beautifully they are grown. These are salads. These are lemon, if you see. See the lemon. Beautiful. So after discovering all that, I came to this lemon tree. You see the size of the pineapple growing. It's so beautiful. I never knew pineapple grow like this. The beetroot was like, I don't know, double the fist of my size. And then the lemon trees and all. It's just awesome to come and enjoy the farm, how it can be so beautiful for your eyes. And you can make my day beautiful with your likes, shares, and definitely the subscribes. And the ones who are watching, giving me love, I'm so thankful to you. It's really a heartfelt thank you. And I'm sure one day I really intend to grow big and good and shoot as much as possible for you. So surely enjoy, stay tuned. There's lots coming. It was a short stay but very long, and you can say exploring at extremes that we did. Gigantic beetroot, you see. So this is from the coop where it follows. They allow them to come out. You can feed if you have come with your students, and then you go all the way there. See, they come out from here. So there are two channels they can come out from. Very well it is organized and planned. Let me take you through. So those two fences you saw, yeah, that ones will go just there, and these ones will be here. So this is how they come out to eat, and we are allowed to feed them corn. So corn is what we generally give. These are all the fern plants or saplings, if I can say. You see, these are those plants you keep at home. Yeah, so these are those ones, like nursery. I think they have a nursery as well, or maybe they have come to plant somewhere. And this is the banana plant. I so love to stand under it like a slave. Beautiful. It's a nice view. Amazing. Just come, you'll enjoy it. Something that one cannot even think of, which exists in Nairobi or Nyeri. So a short view again. That's the Nano House, or the Art of Food, you can see. Let me just zoom for you. That one. We went to the sheep barn. This is the coop. Behind this was the rabbits. We faced tomato tree. It's called tree tomatoes here in Africa. So these tree tomatoes are the ones which are growing. And these are one of the most elegant one. And in the middle rows, you see the furrows. They are growing mustard greens. It's time to go now. Let's see what we are going to do. Most likely we'll have a tea break, and then we go for one more activity, and then I'll keep you posted what are the next things you can do.
This is also something new that they have made. बस पूरा सैर सपाटा मार के घूम घाम के हम चले अभी हमारा टी टाइम के लिए. मुझे तो टी टाइम नहीं करना था. मैंने कहा था आई विल ईट सम फ्रूट्स. तो मैं तो फ्रूट्स खाए अपना मस्त, और ये नज़ारे देखते देखते गए. बस देखते ही देखते हम लोग हमारे फोटोज और सब खींच रहे थे. सामने से आई हमारी द ग्रेट मलाइका. मलाइका के साथ थोड़ा बहुत वॉक मारा, थोड़ा टशन मारा, सब कुछ किया, और फिर हम चले वापस कैसल में. तो ये हमारी मलाइका थी. मैंने बोला थोड़ा मैं भी टशन मारूं उसके साथ और घूमूं, एंड आई विल वॉक. बट मिस्टर टिबिट वाज वेरी केयरफुल कि वो उसको मेरे पे ना चढ़ा दे. हाँ, डर तो लगता है, नो डाउट, बट चलता है. डर के आगे ही थोड़ी सी जीत है. आई एम नॉट एंडोर्सिंग माउंटेन ड्यू एनीवेज, बट यस, दिस हॉर्स इज अमेजिंग. और व्यू भी मस्त था, तो हम भी गो विद द फ्लो, बाकी कुछ नहीं. तो बस ये मेरे दोस्त लोग को भी मैंने बोला यू कैन ज्वाइन इन. और फिर स्टे ट्यून्ड. इसके बाद हमने क्या किया, अपना चाय वाय नाश्ता बच्चे लोग ने कर ली, हम लोग फ्रूट खाए, सब किए, और फिर गए थे तैयार होने. So thank you for staying tuned. Do like, share, and definitely do not forget to subscribe, because there are many people who are viewing, but the subscribes are something which are not matching the match. So let's try to match the match and fit it accordingly. ये हम वापस चले. मैंने अपना फ्रूट खाया. मलसू बीजी बार. ત્યાં સુધી સારું ધ્યાન રાખો.
Like a fork.